I'm back. I think redesigning everything else. EPO is the logo now. That is Elliot Permithias Ovosep EPO. It has its own brand. It's coming out soon as well. Working on that. So I'm here with Mr. Bali Matang himself. You know what I'm saying? The man was graceful enough to give me an opportunity to be a part of whatever he's got going on. There's great energy and vibe going on here. I can't do everything, so there's others that can teach me how to do those things, or they can take on the task of doing those things for me. But I think right now is the first time in a long time, and I'm in the right space of mind, the right space towards what I look forward to, because I'm thinking that I am at a point where I can project whatever's on the inside to come out and not still be able to manage that my external world does not damage my internal world, because generally being in the limelight creates that kind of trouble. But I'm glad to be back on. It's going to be one hell of a ride this time.
So are you from Windhoek or?
No, I'm from Swakop originally.
Swakop.
Yeah.
So this is where you've started doing this.
Yeah.
Swakop.
Yeah.
Okay. That's beautiful.
But I've been living in Windhoek for past 9 years almost.
So in Windhoek, you've still been doing this stuff?
No, I just master my craft and work on me.
Yeah. So did you ever go for school for this? Did you release any album, any song? Do you do this live at the live band event, or so how do you go about just to promote your music for people to hear? Because it's really dope. You need to take it out there.
After the whole entire Big Brother experience and whatnot, and going that far, everything else was pretty much blissful. And being famous too fast was not the issue, but how I dealt with it was the problem. So part of it was that I fell off, but in falling off, I became well off. I found inner peace, but I did not have time to, because I had to go back to the drawing board and find out, okay, cool, my own flaws and understanding what led to this and how I can move forward. But this would be my second attempt in having to bring my music to the masses. So this is the reason why, Mr. Bali Matang is also part of this entire, affair. So that's what's up, it's your boy just chilling back here, vocals for days, bless up. I redesigned the body as well, looking hella sexy. Mind you, I'm a chef that's supposed to be fat, so yeah.